Obtain grace from God. Wake up in the night when others are snoring, for God's sake, for the sake of your destiny. If it is power with God you desire, wake up in the night and pray. Don't pray just to ease guilt. Don't just pray to show people you are prayerful. No. Pray. Something happens to you as you pray. There is an activation that happens as you pray. Every time you go to pray, see yourself signing a register in the spirit. Joshua Selman, present your majesty, I'm here. Shamaka parakata. No one is seeing you. Tomorrow again, Joshua